We'll take a few questions. Yeah, please do answer this poll over here. Yeah. We are from Indonesia. If you are in Indonesia, then you'll have to manage time, Prashantji, because this program is primarily based out of India and designed for India. What is the duration per class? The duration per class will be 90 minutes, 60 minutes to 90 minutes.
It will be around same, 60 to 90 minutes.
60 to 90 minutes will be the duration of each class. All right. Now, if there are people who want to ask them questions, are we promoting Kumbhak as panacea to all health maladies?
No, we are not promoting it. It is panacea to all health maladies, all health problems. It is panacea. We are just bringing it up. We are making you aware of that. And we are making you aware of the thing, something which is a panacea and you are not aware of. We are just making you aware of it. Use it to come out of your problems.
Anyone gained from Kumbhak practice, please share your experience. Somebody even talked about, asked Vitika Jain wanting to share experience. Okay, let me start with me. I'm the #1 beneficiary of this program. All right, I have used Kumbhak because I came to across Swamiji some time back, year and a half back. I have got rid of my problems like diabetes. I've got rid of my problems like blood pressure, heart issues, and arthritis. Vitika ji, would you like to share your experience regarding how you would suffer chronically from? Please go ahead.
Namaskar everyone. I am Vitika Jain. मेरी बचपन से ना इम्यूनिटी बहुत कम थी. So I was titled as the physically weakest बच्चा of the class. टॉप करते थे पर सबसे पहले स्वेटर मेरी निकलती थी. तो राखी से लेके होली तक I was on with my sweater. So because of that, I suffered lung tuberculosis a number of times. More than 4 to 5 times, I suffered that issue in my school time, in my higher studies, in my graduation, in my MCA. So मेरी कोई भी डिग्री ना बिना tuberculosis के खत्म नहीं हुई. So I was in the habit कि जब भी हल्की सी भी ठंड पड़ती है तो मुझे स्वेटर पहनना होता है because मुझे समस्या होती थी. I faced problem in laughing, in speaking, in dancing, in everything I do. तो सांस लेने में भी तकलीफ होती थी क्योंकि लंग का एक हिस्सा अकड़ जाता था तो वो बहुत ज्यादा पेनफुल होता था. फिर लास्ट 3 years पहले I came across स्वामी जी. कुछ चमत्कार सा हुआ, किस्मत जागी, स्वामी जी से मिली और किसी और चीज के लिए मैंने ट्रीटमेंट शुरू किया कुंभक थेरेपी का. और उस समय से उस समय ठंड आने में 1-2 महीने रहे होंगे. उसके बाद ठंड कब आई मुझे पता नहीं चला जब तक मेरे आसपास वालों ने मुझे पॉइंट आउट नहीं किया कि अरे तुम्हारी स्वेटर नहीं निकली इस बार, नवंबर आ गया है, वो तो जो राखी से निकल जाती थी. So this is how now अब मैं ठंड को एंजॉय कर पाती हूँ. कोई ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लंग्स बहुत हेल्दी हैं और इसीलिए मैंने अपना IT जॉब छोड़ के आई हैव जॉइंड एज अ कुंभक मेंटर. और इट गिव्स अस इमेंस प्लेजर जब हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हमको बोलते हैं, जब वो ज्वाइन करते हैं प्रोग्राम तो वो लगातार एक लंबा सेंटेंस बोल भी नहीं पाते हैं और कुछ महीनों बाद वो हमें लंबे लंबे आलापों के साथ भजन रिकॉर्ड करके भेजते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली कुंभक हेल्प्स everyone in every diseases and it is the fastest way you can gift yourself towards working on yourself and taking charge of your health. Thank you so much.
Will this program help somebody who has seasoned and allergic asthma, allergic rhinitis, autoimmune disorder of psoriasis?
Yes, I've already explored in the presentation that yes, all those autoimmune disorders and other problems, especially allergies, It might take a little time to come out of allergy, because the moment your systemic strength becomes good, suddenly it disappears. Allergy actually disappears. You won't even notice. Initially, you'll feel pretty easy in running your life, but slowly you'll see a lot of things will disappear. So it is all about creating a balance in the system, strength of your lungs, increasing the capacity of your lungs. Not only that, yeah, it's an overall work. It's a holistic work upon the body. And Kumbhak is the key which helps us to reach to those intricate areas of the mechanics of human body. So Kumbhak is used as a key, but what we are doing, we are establishing the body in 6 steps or 6 dimensions. So yes, you will get a lot of benefit in all those problems.
Any scientific research papers on validating the benefits of Kumbhak therapy?
So something else, if you take a medicine, something which is not a part of your body, their scientific research is used as a proof. And it is okay, it is good to use a chemical, do a scientific research on chemical and see the reaction of that on the human body. But something which is a part of the system itself, like walking, is there any scientific research that walking is good? Is there any scientific research that breathing is good? You don't need a scientific research. You need a immediate relief or result. And you can see immediate result. The result that you see within, is there any scientific result that food quenches hunger? भूख खत्म करता है भोजन, इसका कोई साइंटिफिक रिसर्च है क्या? आप ही हो, अगर कोई दूसरा ना माने तो आप उसकी बात भी नहीं मानेंगे. So this is a process of human body or the mechanics of creating strength within the system. So इसका रिजल्ट अगर हम देखना चाहें तो हम कर सकते हैं. बाद में इसके ऊपर रिसर्च भी किया जा सकता है. We can do research, but it is a research product. So it's a research thing in the life of, in my life, ये मेरे जीवन का research product है. Not only this life, but it's a whole lineage. There is a whole lineage who has done research on their life. तो ये human life का research product है. External implication or how fast it can happen, that can be done. That can be, we also want to do that. We will start a research on certain things related to Kumbhak in times to come. अभी हमारे पास लोगों को ठीक करने से फुर्सत नहीं है. रिसर्च बाद में कर लेंगे, पहले लोगों को ठीक कर लें. तो हम करेंगे रिसर्च इसके ऊपर. Not only will do research, we'll establish universities and a whole study system where we can train people into how to diagnose and get to the problem and design a method. इसमें भी हम करेंगे आगे चल के काम. At present, this is something very, very nascent in terms of how we are taking it to people. अभी वो nascent stage है. अभी पिछले 2 साल से हम ये काम कर रहे हैं. We need more people, more help, more people into it, and we'll do all those things also.
Can somebody who has ILD problem and is on oxygen support 24 hours, will they, what about, will it help them?
Immediately फायदा होगा. The moment ILD, irritable lung disease, is something, it is a certain kind of allergy again. Irritability क्या होती है? Allergy से ही आप associate कर लो, उसको समझो. Your lung is not able to bear anything. वो झेल नहीं पाता. So the moment you start Kumbhak, you will feel the change. बहुत जल्दी असर आता है इन सब चीजों में. बहुत जल्दी असर आता है. You not need an oxygen support. And too much of oxygen is bad for your health. Do you know this? तो ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट पे ज्यादा रहेंगे तो हार्ट कमजोर हो जाएगा. Your heart will become weak.
What happens after 6 weeks when the program gets over? Will people, how will they know whether they are practicing, etc.? This is a question.
There will be a support system. If you come to the program, we will also start, after the first batch, we'll start a support system where with a minimum contribution, with a very, very peanut kind of a contribution, will help you do the practices every week. We'll conduct 2 classes every week. You can come and join. There will be other things to learn also. We'll explore food perspective. We'll explore what you call as stability of the human system. We'll use certain what you can call as dharana or meditative process to stabilize the system. We'll give you challenges. तो ऐसा कुछ हम शुरू करेंगे इसके बाद. First finish the module and it will be there for you. वो support आपके लिए होगा.
What about pulmonary hypertension by birth and also on oxygen?
Anybody who has got pulmonary hypertension by birth, they must do this. क्योंकि आपके लिए तो मतलब there is nothing which can help you come out of this, first of all. But the moment you start doing कुंभक, you see बचपन से जो प्रॉब्लम थी वो ease out हो जाएगी. It may not go forever. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हमेशा के लिए चली जाएगी, but your life will become easy, much easy. आपको तो इतना हेल्प मिलेगा कि आप सोच नहीं सकते. So अगर बर्थ से है pulmonary hypertension, this is something which will help you. It will work like a machine for you, जो कि आपको हमेशा सपोर्ट करता रहेगा. So they must do it.
I have nose polyp and high BP. I've also joined Ashtang Chikitsa and Kumbhak program. Whether is this different from the 2 programs? Should I join this to remove nose polyp?
नहीं, आप वो प्रोग्राम में रहिए. Time to time we will, if you are in Ashtang Chikitsa, I don't know if you have gone through the customization or not. Customize करेंगे. We'll suggest certain other things also for you.
What about epilepsy patients? This is not, I mean, I do not know whether that's related over here, but would you like to address? This question has been raised 2-3 times. Do you know any people who can get relief in epilepsy?
Okay, so what happens? मैं थोड़ा सा आपको एक overview देता हूँ. Just I give you an overview. I've given it in the exploration. When you get a heart problem, do you get breathing difficulties? When you get a liver issue, digestive issue, there again you get, or your body becomes weak, you get breathing difficulty. So similarly, in stress also, I've said, in stress and depression also, your breath becomes uneven. It is not easy. For people who get into epileptic fit, उनको जरा देखिए, उनकी सांसें कैसी होती है? Very disturbed. So if you increase the strength of your lungs, अगर आप अपने सांसों की strength को, capacity to breathe, if you increase the strength of your lungs, the epileptic fit will not cause that much of a damage that it causes at this point of time. The time to recover will also come down drastically. जब एक बार फिट आता है तो लोग 1-2 दिन, कई तो ज्यादा भी बिस्तर पकड़ लेते हैं. So if you strengthen your system, the recovery time will drastically come down. Fit आया 1-2-3 घंटे के अंदर, you are fit again. So it will create less damage on your body. Obviously, if it is less damage, it creates less damage, and the frequency slowly reduces. It will take time, but there is a possibility that it will not create that much of a problem. वो फिर बहुत कम rare हो जाएगा और आपको इतनी problem महसूस नहीं.
Is this program meant for children, both for respiratory ailments and I think even epilepsy, the person, baby small? So
no, we will start a program for children. It has to be handled in a different way. So this is a program for people who are 16 or 16 plus. 16 या 16 साल से ज्यादा की उम्र के हैं, उनके लिए.
I feel due to indigestion at naval disorders, breathing becomes difficult. Will Kumbhak help in this?
So there is an aspect in the module where we align your whole system. There are basically 3 alignments that you need: Nabhi, Kaudi, and Nale. Navel, middle of your chest, and the thigh alignment, legs का alignment. आपको 3 alignment चाहिए. So there is something in this module which aligns your body. Not only aligns your body, increases the core strength. यहाँ पे हम ना आपके core strength पे काम कर रहे हैं. तो आप क्या देखेंगे कि first of all there will be lot of clearing in the body. सफाई हो जाएगी आपके शरीर की. Alignment will happen. You will be able to function smoothly. आप ज्यादा काम कर पाएंगे. You'll feel more energy. You'll be able to work smoothly. You'll be able to take stress. And you'll be able to handle difficult situation very easily. So नाभि कई लोगों का बहुत जल्दी दिखता है या फिर धरण बहुत जल्दी होती है. Yes, it creates a digestive difficulty, and as I said, every difficulty has some association with your lung disorder. सांसों के साथ में हर एक चीज जुड़ी हुई है. Your breath is in monologue with other things. So अगर मैं और technically बोलना चाहूं, if I say it more technically, the whole program is designed to balance the Kurmasthana, from where breath originates. Breath का origin जहां से है ना, उसको address करता है ये पूरा program. So it also balances your system. If you face some kind of a drastic difficulty or a very too much of a difficulty in a particular thing, we'll also suggest separately. आपको अलग से भी हम कुछ suggest कर देंगे. Because we are customizing things. आप तो problem बताएंगे ना हमको, and we will customize it according to your problem or problems. So we'll suggest you accordingly. Don't worry about that. हाँ, अब ये मत पूछने लग जाइए. It takes time to actually explore all those things. फिर webinar में छोटा time होता है, उसमें सब कुछ नहीं बता सकते.
People who want to know about diabetes, etc., please leave your numbers. We have a separate program for diabetes. We have a separate program for thyroid. We have a separate program for BP and heart issues. So leave your numbers. A team will reach out to you and we can connect with you for those programs. Here, this webinar, this program is primarily for people who have respiratory disorders, whether it is asthma, seasonal allergies, any other respiratory problem. So Bhavna is asking that I'm an ILD patient because taking steroids. Now I'm diabetic and have hypertension. Can all problems be cured through this program?
Your problem has started from ILD. Anna, if you fix it, you will get relief in other problems. Anyway, you will get relief in other problems. But if you fix this, if this becomes fine, if you want to address any other aspect, then that time you can go towards that. But you will feel a lot of relief in other problems also, because this is the base problem from which everything else has popped up. So if you fix this, the other problems will be taken care.
फैजल अजीज जी, we have answered your question. तो देखिए, सभी क्वेश्चन का अगर हम एक कंसाइज जवाब देखें, हर क्वेश्चन का एक जवाब ये आता है कि if your ailment is under respiratory disorders, all right, we diagnose you why you are getting into that problem, and then you get customized practices according to it. We are not saying that this is a program for every ailment under the sun. No, it is not. Okay. Yes, it will help you in support for any other ailment that you have. So if people who are already part of our programs, it is an option for them. It is not a condition for them to join this. All right. But if specifically somebody is really suffering from asthma, respiratory disorders, they can think of joining us, and you can always reach out to us and talk to us. All right. I don't have any issues. Which program I need to join for maintaining good health? Sir, please visit our YouTube channel. You will find various modules, etc., that you can use. And of course, वी ऑलवेज से कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें. हाँ. तो उसमें भी वो होगा, आप देख सकते हैं. सो राज, टू एवरीवन, आई एम फेसिंग. Yes, it will help you with all these problems. How much time will it take? It will depend on your system. So we are not saying you will get overnight success with this. You might, but you will start feeling the relief from week 1 onwards. Is that correct, sir? Swamiji, is that correct? From week 1
Yes.
onwards, you will start finding relief in some of these conditions. And
Yes, yes. The moment you do practices, from that moment itself, you'll start feeling the difference. And apart from people I have already told you, people who have disease, they can come out of the disease, but people who do not have any disease, they can do it to prevent themselves from this. Shadanga Pratishtha is something which takes care of almost everything inside the body. It addresses almost every aspect of your body. So this is also a beautiful preventive methodology.
There are no installments for this program because, see, primarily what we charge for is diagnosis and customization. Now, this program starts with the diagnosis and customization, so there are no installments available for this. Papuri ji, we have answered that question. Everyone has different problem in.
He's asking how in one program everything can be taken care. So, should I give you one analogy? If your hand has a problem, do you have a problem? Is your hands you? No, it is also you. But if the hand is not there, still you are there. So if your legs have a problem, do you have a problem? You have a problem. So if your kidneys have a problem, do you have a problem? You have a problem. But what is the core of all the what is the core which actually suffers the problem? It is you. You are the center of everything. So the problem also originates from a weakness. It originates from one weakness. For example, suppose your digestive difficulty turns into diabetes. Now, will you get into hypertension? You will get into hypertension. But where it started from? The digestive difficulty, the metabolism. It started from metabolism, it gone to diabetes and then hypertension. Do you think you can get into kidney disorder? Yes, you can get into kidney disorder. These are not different issues. वही मैं आपको बार बार बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, आपका शरीर अलग अलग organs को अलग अलग function नहीं करवाता. Your heart functions along with your liver, along with your kidney, along with everything else. So if one organ gets into a problem, you get into multiple problems. So where it started from? कहां से शुरुआत हुई उसकी? वही तो diagnosis कर रहे हैं ना हम. इसीलिए if we find the root cause, कहां से शुरुआत हुई है? If we fix it, you get relief in every problem that you have faced. Will you completely come out of a problem which has gone beyond a certain threshold? आपका किडनी एक लेवल से ज्यादा खराब हो गया, क्या वापस ठीक हो जाएगा? नहीं, बट वहां रोक जरूर जाएगा. So maybe एक चीज आपको ऑपरेट करके निकालना भी पड़ जाए, बट फर्दर डिटोरेशन से आप रोक लेंगे अपने आप को. If you are working on the root cause, lot of things will be taken care and you will get relief in lot of things. But if it has something has gone beyond a threshold, you will suffer that. True, but the suffering will come down drastically. तो इस तरीके से ये काम कर रहा है. If you see everything as separate, आपको पता है, आपको लगेगा कि एक प्रोग्राम में कैसे काम करेंगे. नहीं, it is not separate. First of all, it is not separate problem. Started from something.
What if I miss a class? Please do not start the program with the idea that you will miss a class. Come to the classes. Then somebody said, how many classes are given in this program? There are 6 modules or 6 classes. All right. Classes timings are 12 noon Sunday. Those are fixed. Practice timings we will tell you once you enroll in the program. Okay. So yes, if somebody wishes to join this program for preventive or even strengthening their lung capacity or respiratory strength, they can join the program. Ardhendu Kumar Nandi. So, yeah. So I hope we have.
In total, you'll get 12 classes. One learning class and one practice class every week. 2 classes every week. So 6 weeks class. That means 12 classes. Total आपको 12 class मिलेंगे.
Suvra Roy ji, please, if you are part of the WhatsApp group, we will share an entire program, not just a demo of the practice. We can't show you the demo of the practices that we are going to teach in the class. Cost is 6,000. Mr. Rajshri Daga. One class Sunday, when is the other 2 class? We will tell you once you come in the program. It is usually 2 or 3 days after the main session. All right. So that's how the program works. Now, can I have all my team members put their cameras on? Yeah, everyone. It's 9:15. It's time to close the webinar. If you have questions, please leave your numbers in the chat box. We'll get back to you. We'll answer your question. We'll get back to you in the. How many classes a week? 2 class, 1 class, 1 main class per week, and 1 practice session. Yeah. Leave your numbers. So if you see Vitika, you can see Nirmala, you can see Darshana, you can see Niranjan, you can see Rajendra Purohitji, you can see Ekta, you can see Ritu Sharma, Ritu Kapoor, and some of the participants who are here. Faisalji, if this issue is you want to sort it out, please make your priorities. We will not be able to manage everything as per your office time or some other time. All right. So we will tell you once you come to the program why. Besides the practice session, you will be able to do these practices at your convenience, etc. So coming back to the team that I have over here, how to access course from India. This is an online course, Harish ji. So you can join our course. There are many people who join our courses from UAE and other places in the Middle East. So you can join our course. It's an online course. You'll have access to what you call our class videos as well as instructions. Last question that I wanted to pick up, which was left, is what about person suffering from kidney issues and dialysis? And I believe they also have respiratory issues.
We will customize the module according to your problem, I've said. So if you are suffering from a kidney issue along with lung, then we'll customize it for your kidney ailment also. We'll give you something which will help your kidney revive. How much revival can happen depends on how much work you can do upon it, how much committed you are, and it will be a question of time, but the damage will stop, the deterioration will stop, and in many cases we have seen kidney reviving. So if you have lung issue along with those other issues, so it will be customized according to each person. ये हर एक इंसान के हिसाब से कस्टमाइज होगा ही. Unmute.
All right, so we started this webinar with the cameras on. I see so many people just still there. So put your camera on before we say good night. आज रात के लिए हम अगर शबा खैर गुड नाइट करते हैं तो अपना कैमरा जरा ऑन कीजिए. फैजल जी, आप अपना नंबर छोड़ दीजिए. जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं आपको आंसर किए जाएंगे, और थोड़ा सा बाकी सब भी चीजें जरूरी हैं, तो आपकी हेल्थ भी उतनी जरूरी है. ऑफिस टाइम अगर जरूरी है तो हेल्थ भी उतनी जरूरी है. हेल्थ एक्चुअली उससे ज्यादा जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप हेल्दी होंगे तो ऑफिस में अच्छा काम कर पाएंगे, फैमिली को अच्छी तरीके से देख पाएंगे, राइट? तो अपने आप, हु इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ? यू. आप खुश होंगे, आप ठीक होंगे, तभी आपके आसपास वाले लोग भी ठीक होंगे, राइट? फैमिली हो, वर्क हो, कुछ भी हो. तो एयरप्लेन में भी बोलते हैं ना, पहले ऑक्सीजन मास्क खुद लगाएं, फिर साइड वाले की चिंता करें. तो दिस इज अ प्रोग्राम वेयर यू टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर कंडीशन, वेयर यू वर्क अपॉन योर सिस्टम, राइट? तो ये प्रोग्राम उसके लिए है, ये उनके लिए नहीं है जो किसी और के ऊपर डिपेंड करना चाहते हैं. ये प्रोग्राम इट्स बेस्ड ऑन इमेंस ह्यूमन पॉसिबिलिटी of retuning the system back to health, retuning the system back to the state of happiness and health that it is meant to be. So before when I started the program, I said our team is made up of people. So I was answering that till I took a question about what you call kidneys and dialysis. So all these people, Vitika, Nirmala ji, Darshana, Niranjan, Rajendra Purohit, Ritu Sharma, Ritu Kapoor, who are these people? ये सब वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने कुंभक को इस्तेमाल किया है और बहुत सारी कंडीशन से बाहर आए हैं. कोई हाइपोग्लाइसीमिक था, अभी नॉर्मल है. ठीक है, किसी को बहुत सारे चक्कर आते थे, अभी ठीक है. किसी को थायराइड प्रॉब्लम थी, अभी ठीक है. सिमिलरली तो अगर कोई मेरे पास आता है कि मुझे काम चाहिए, तो मैं पहले पूछता हूँ, पहले बताइए बीमारी क्या है. आई डोंट वांट टू हायर हेल्दी पीपल. उनको तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई वांट टू हेल्प यू. आई वांट टू हैव पीपल who will first take care of themselves and then they can help others. So these are the people who have helped themselves first and now we are helping others. There are also many wonderful participants like Debashish Patnaik is there, Lakshman C is there, who have been using Kumbhak for themselves, and so many other people who just came in today. I thank you for all your support who have joined the program. So on that note, I think we'll close now. It's time. भूख भी लगी होगी थोड़ा, हाँ? तो घबराइए नहीं, ज्यादा सोचिए नहीं. देखिए, if we make sense, if you heard us, आपने हमें सुना. If we make sense, come to the program without thinking. Okay. If we don't make sense, there is nothing to think about. Correct? So it's very simple as that. Leave your numbers once again. The team will get back to you to answer your individual questions, concerns, queries. On that note, this is Navneet Kapoor signing off on behalf of Swami Raj Vibhu, on my entire team. And this time I can say a lot of many participants who came and joined our webinar, who are part of our program. So thank you so much. And of course, all the new people, we look forward to your presence in the program. And so that इस सर्दी तो छोड़ दीजिए, अभी तो शुरुआत होगी अगली सर्दी. So you can breathe fearlessly, you can breathe freely, you can breathe, enjoy your winters and all other seasons as well. Wish each one of you very happy breathing. Namaskar and happy Kumbhak to all.